Hello, hello, hello there, readers. How you doing today? I have a story called The Greedy Python. And I picked this one because it wasn't that long ago that Adam and Emily and Richard went for a walk and there was a snake on the trail and they tried to shoo it away and he wouldn't move. And so they turned around and went the other way. And I was working in my flower garden and there was a itty bitty little teeny tiny snakes. So even though there wasn't a python, it's kind of like a snake, the greedy python. Half hidden in the jungle green, the biggest snake there's ever been wound back and forth and in between. There he is, and he keeps going. The giant snake was very strong and very, very, very long. He had a monstrous appetite. His stomach stretched from left to right. That's all one snake. He is very long. He quickly gobbled in one bite whatever creature came in sight. A mouse that scampered to and fro, a frog that jumped up from below, a bat that hung from his left toe, a fish that swam a bit too slow, a bird that flew a bit too low. He's eating all of these. He is very hungry. A porcupine still half asleep, a monkey who was in mid-leap. He'd eat the porcupine with all those quills? I got the monkey as he's jumping. Ate him right out of the air. Wow. A leopard sitting in a tree, a buffalo who came to see. Oh dear, he ate a buffalo? Whew. An elephant, complete with trunk, was swallowed in a single chunk. I'm far too big to eat, he cried. Oh, no, you're not, the snake replied. He's even eating an elephant after he ate a buffalo? Whew. Monstrous appetite. At last the python's meal was done, and he lay resting in the sun. The animals inside his skin were making quite a dreadful din. Oh dear, here's his mouth. Look at how big his stomach is with all those animals in there. And then his little tail. He is pretty full. And when they all began to kick, the snake began to feel quite sick. Oof. He coughed the whole lot up again, each one of them, and there were 10. He coughed them all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 animals that he ate. And then he coughed back out. Blech. He soon felt better, and what's more, was hungrier than just before. He hadn't learned a single thing. His greed was quite astonishing. He saw his own tail, long and curved, and thought that lunch was being served. What's he going to do to his tail? He closed his jaws on his own rear, then swallowed hard and disappeared. Oh dear. Oh, he ate himself. Now that's hungry. Oh my goodness. The greedy python. Whew. I'm sure there's times that you guys are really, really hungry, but don't eat yourselves. That's not a good thing. Hope you're having a great day. Love you all. Bye-bye.